The Cozylady 66-foot RGB Neon Rope Lights provide a long, continuous run of flexible silicone lighting that is easy to bend into custom shapes for bedrooms, gaming setups, and accent walls. Compared with many standard strips, this set packs in a high density of light-emitting diodes and a wider glowing surface, so colors appear richer, smoother, and more uniform along the entire length. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included reinforced double-sided adhesive tape for smooth surfaces, with the option to screw mount on less friendly walls when you need extra security. The strip supports both app and remote control, letting you adjust brightness, colors, scenes, and effects from the sofa or bed without fumbling with inline buttons. Its weather-resistant silicone housing and waterproof light section make it suitable for covered outdoor areas or damp environments, expanding where you can safely add decorative lighting. Built-in music sync and timer features allow the lights to react to games and songs for parties, while also handling scheduled on or off times for daily mood lighting or gentle wake-up routines.